How to turn Android phone display black and white. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Settings may differ according to your phone. Click on display in here. After you're in the display section, in here, click on reading mode. Then, simply click on turn on reading mode and it will open these options. Click on turn on mono effect, which is the last option in here. After that, go back and then click on the button beside turn on reading mode and turn it on. After it's turned on, your phone display will be black and white. It is not showing in the screen recording, but my phone was black and white. And this is how to turn Android phone display black and white. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.